Okay, we're going to teach you how to increase the height of a row and increase the width of a column. You can either highlight it and use the little cross. You get in between the two columns. You click and drag it to where you would like. Or where you've highlighted it, right click in that area and go to column width. You can see the column width now is 15.14. Let's do it to 25 and watch what happens when we hit OK. You see? So now you have learned how to right click and use column width, and then the same way you would increase the height of a row. You either use the little cross or the plus sign. You get in between the two rows. Click it and drag it down. Or you can right click, go to row height, and change the row height here if you wanted it 45. Now the height is 45. That's how you increase the height and the width of the columns. That's it.